Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we're at a customer's house here. He's having a problem with his batteries, but he's already testing with his load test and testing with his voltmeter. And I'm going to go over with him, man, and show him what he's doing wrong, show y'all how to use it, show you how to read your load tester and your voltmeter. Keep watching, man. Hope you learn. So what we're going to do is start with number one battery, which is the main positive. We're going to put red on positive. Then we're going to put the black on the negative. And then we're going to hold the button down for no more than 3 to 5 seconds. But let me tell you this in the meantime. If you're doing an 8-volt or 6-volt battery, don't read where it says good, bad, or okay. That is set up for a 12-volt system. This is not originally designed for a 6 or 8-volt battery. We're just doing it and going by voltage itself. Now, his here, when he hits a button, it's not even working, so that's why the problem he was having. But if you hit a button on an 8-volt battery and the batteries drop down to 6 volts, 7 volts, then they're just dead. But if you got 5 of them that show 7.5 and one shows 6, it's bad. Keep watching. The gas and the brake. There goes 7, 8. Yeah, all right, go next one. Go here. 8, 3. All right, what is it? Yes, 7, 9.
Yeah. And you can touch these if it's easier.
There you go. There you go. Ready? 8, 3. Hit the gas. 7, 7. All right. Yes. 7, 7. Right now, so far it's showing 7, 7. So right there, man, if you got 4 batteries that show 7, 7 and the car's slow, you know you're going to have one bad.
5, 9.
Make a better connection on the back one. There you go. All right, ready? 8, 3. 7, 9. All right. They're all showing the same. Can you reach it? There we got.
I mean, can I get my hand in there?
Let me see again real fast. Just come off. Here, hold this here. Here, hold this. Here, hold this here. No, this. There you go. There you go. I pulled that off so you can touch it.
It comes that one does it too, bud.
All right. I'll put it off too so you can touch it easier. There you go.
All right.
You got that one?
Yeah.
5, 1, 2.
How low to go? 2 volts. Ready?
2.9.
Yes. Now see how low this is compared to all these? Yeah. Because these here really test good at 7, 7. But you're only as good as your weakest link, man.
Now another thing I want to say real quick. Hold this.
You're only good as your weakest link.
Say like he did, you do hook this up backwards. It still reads the same voltage. It just has a negative symbol in front of it.
Yeah.
So that would still work. It would just so it's negative voltage.
That's right. Another one fixed. If you live in Horry County or in South Carolina or surrounding counties, go to www.golfcartwhisperer.net, schedule an appointment. I'll come out there. Hey, hey, hey.